I spent about a week on Amtrak sleeper trains, the California Zephyr, 59 City of New Orleans, and Sunset Limited. Although there were so many delays, cancellations, and interruptions, I had the adventure of my lifetime. Through this experience, I learned more about myself than I had ever before, and met amazing people I wouldn't have met otherwise. Here's the journey. I started on the Capital Corridor from San Jose to Emeryville. The train is mostly empty. I got myself some breakfast. They have a cafe car on the car 3. Take a look at the breakfast. Just an English muffin and coffee. So, I think it's like $7 with tip. I think it's a pretty good deal. I love the Amtrak cafe car because it's very cheap and honestly very good. Not like airplane food, which is a total ripoff.
The station is currently boarding. This train makes the station stop to.
I have arrived at Emeryville. The Emeryville station is very quaint, and I'm very excited when the California Zephyr pulled up into the station. It's here! So exciting! I have to walk all the way to the front because I'm in the sleeping car. Room A. That's me. Room A. Whoa, I love it. I had booked a roomette, but they upgraded me to a bedroom with a private bathroom and a shower. A welcome surprise, of course. I had my own private bathroom. Amtrak Superliners consist of 2 levels with 4 types of rooms. This is a video of a roomette, and this is a video of the family room. The Superliner also comes with a dining car, an observation car, and coach cars, in that order. We're finally moving after all these delays. By this point, we have been delayed about 4 hours due to a mechanical issue. Not much to see right now. The view hopefully will get better soon when we move into the mountain ranges. Alright, I just came back from lunch. It was really good lunch, very filling, and it comes with a main course and a dessert. I think dinner is supposed to be 3 course, so we'll see how that goes. And it comes with alcohol too, so looking forward to that. We're so high up in the mountains that there's actually snow next to the track. Look. The train keeps chugging along, and for the first time in a long time, I started to see some snow. Little do I know, this is just the beginning. Dinners are reservations only. Mine's at 6. I got a complimentary whiskey, charred corn, medium rare steak, and a cheesecake. The steak was simply amazing. I highly recommend everyone to try it out. We got into Reno, Nevada very late at night due to the delay, but it was still nice to be able to get off the train and walk around at the station. I'm at the Reno, Nevada, and spend the time walk around a little bit. It's already very dark outside, but I would like to show you what it looks like in the dark. So this light right here, I turned on the ceiling light, so it looks like this. And I can change it to a night light. Ooh. You can't see me anymore. Yeah. The train attendant is a little busy tonight, so I'm thinking maybe I should just set up my own bed. See how it goes. They actually have these instructions on the bottom of the tray table. Let's see if we can set it up. Here's how to make your own bed. First, fold down the top bunk to make sure you have everything you need. You need a pad, 2 sheets, a blanket, and a couple pillows. Next, recline the bottom seat and press the foot pedal on the side of the seat and push down the back of the seat, making it flat. Next, put the pad onto the bed and lay the sheet over it. Cover it up with the blanket and you're done. I decided to take a shower before I go to sleep. So this is the shower. So you can imagine this is the door. So you just walked in, and then there's linens. I have some of my clothes up there, and then this is the toilet. This is the shower. So this one closes up like this. So basically what you do here, I'm just gonna demonstrate, is that you can twist this handle, and then this button doesn't work anymore, but like it just comes out automatically. So if you turn it, the water starts coming out. You see it? And then you just keep turning it all the way to get hot water. You see, all the way to get hot water, and then you turn it back to get cold water, and then it just stops if you turn it like 360 degrees. Showering on the train is honestly a pretty good experience, despite how shaky it is. I just showered on the train, and now I'm lying in bed because I'm really tired. Alright, I'm gonna read a little bit and then turn it in for a night. So, see you guys tomorrow. The next morning, I woke up at Salt Lake City. I have arrived at Salt Lake City. It's very, very cold. There's like snow everywhere on the tracks. You see the mountain ranges in the back? Immediately, I got some French toast for breakfast. As we rode out of Salt Lake City, I went to the observation car for a better view of the snow-capped mountains. One thing that I did on the train is read a lot of books. The most recent one I'm reading is a book called The Atlas of the Heart, which is a non-fiction book about the language of emotions. It gave me the vocabulary I needed to fully understand and appreciate my emotions. Next, we arrived at Grand Junction, Colorado, which will be the last stop before I turn in for the night. We arrived at the Grand Junction, Colorado about 5 hours late. This is a very popular stop because there's a little shop right here. this shop has a lot of stuff that usually is available on the train, so it's a very popular stop. One of the biggest bummer of this trip is that I'm unable to fully appreciate the Rocky Mountains, since our train is now about 6 hours late and it's already getting dark by the time we got into the Rockies. I'll probably try this train again next winter. We have arrived at Omaha. I gotta get on. I woke up in Omaha, Nebraska, but I was very tired because I stayed up talking with new friends I've made on the train. So I read a little bit and took a nap. One of the benefits of our bedroom is that you can take a nap without needing to fold down your bed, unlike the roomette. This is my conductor. What's the conductor? Attendant, my attendant, yeah. She really helped me a lot.
It was amazing. Thank you, sweetie. Safe travel.
Thank you. We finally arrived at the Chicago train stations. We're 7 hours late. I'm at the Missed Connection Passenger Processing Center. It's pretty big. A lot of us missed our connection. There's like 10 different trains that was missed connection. They all departed before we got here. So they gave me a bus ride and put me into the Swiss hotel for the night and rebooked me for the next day. I spent the night enjoying the beautiful Chicago skyline with a nice dinner. The next day I checked out the art museum, which is next to our hotel, skated on the ice rink next to the Chicago Bean, and had a quick delicious lunch and a nice dinner. I have arrived at the Chicago Union Station about 2 hours early to check out the lounge. Hi, I'm at the Metropolitan Lounge shower. It looks very neat. I'm gonna shower before I get to this train because I don't want to shower on a train and share a shower because I have a roommate. The city of New Orleans number 59 goes from Chicago Union Station to New Orleans Union Passenger Terminal. It only has one sleeper car, one lounge car, and 3 coach cars. Lunch and dinner is served in room, and you get complimentary beverage in the lounge car as a sleeper passenger. For this one, I have a roommate downstairs, so it's actually pretty close to the restroom, next to the restroom, and the staircase. Since there's really not much to see, it's perfect for me. It's very convenient, and it's less rocky too, so because you are lower on the ground. So hopefully I'll get a good night's sleep. The food is served in room. The attendants takes your order and then they bring it because there is no dining car. This is my food. I got some red wine and a curry pot roast. Not bad, not bad. I'm very excited. I already had dinner before I boarded this train, but it's always nice to have a really nice snack. The attendant has put my bed together, so let's take a look. Yeah. So it's very, very cozy. So I'm on the bottom floor. So hopefully it will rock less and have a good night's sleep. Good night. I'll see you all tomorrow. Oh, woke up at Memphis, Tennessee. Haven't got breakfast yet. It's a lot warmer here than Chicago, though. I got my lunch. It has a hot dog, some Coke, and some chips. We're moving backwards. I'm not sure why. Maybe we're pulling into the station. I had more time to read my book as we rode through Mississippi, and following the suggestion from my attendant, I went to the upper level of the lounge car for a better view of the swamp and wetlands of Louisiana. the New Orleans Union Station. Hi! Say hello to my attendant.
Hi. Y'all have fun.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. One nice thing about traveling by train is that your train station is usually located in the heart of the city. So I actually walked to my hotel instead of taking a lift or using commuter trains. It's a lot more convenient than air travel. It saves a lot of time and a lot of money. Look, my hotel's coming up. Exploring downtown New Orleans is always a good time. I got beignets, gumbo, jambalaya, crawfish etouffee, and some fried chicken. I wish I can live here. I wish I can live here. It's so good. I'm also pleasantly surprised that our hotel offers a pool. Looks like a very nice pool area. And you can see the steam coming out of the water. That means that this pool is heated, which I'll definitely be using next time I'm here. Alright, I'm back at the New Orleans Union Station. While I was on the Sunset Limited train, I received a notification that my Los Angeles to San Jose train is cancelled due to flooding. So I've decided to get off at Houston to stay the night and fly home instead. I've decided to stay in Houston for the night because it doesn't make sense for me to go on the Sunset Limited. I'm not gonna make the Coast Star Line connection. So Houston, I want to say bye to the Sunset Limited train though. Bye bye. I got myself a nice hotel, had nice dinner, and walked around the city at night. One thing I noticed is that it's very big. Like it's a city, but everything is just bigger for some reason. I guess it is what they say, everything is bigger in Texas. The next morning, I booked a full-day tour of the city with a tour of NASA. Here's some montage footage.
Historic telephone call ever made from the White House.
Arrived at the Houston airport. Almost home. Almost home. Almost. Long journey. Almost home. Nostos. Nostos. Finally, I arrived home in SFO. Honestly, this whole experience is such a wild adventure, from delays and cancellations to missing connections and making connections. It showed me that I can adapt to all kinds of changes and have a good time even when things do not go nearly according to plan. I 100% recommend the California Zephyr and will definitely take it again in the near future. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of my random adventures. See you next time.